What is the least number which is to be divided by the following number so that the quotient would be a perfect number? These types of solution we have to know about prime factor. Welcome to Home of Math. Let's start very important math for competitive examination. First number is 972. So first we have to make prime factorize. 972 we can divide it by 2. So we will get 486, right? Then divide by 2. So we will get 243. 243 we can divide by 3. We will get 81. Now this 81 we can divide it by 3. We will get 27. Again divided by 3 we will get 9. Again divided by 3 we will get finally 3. So 2 and 3 all are prime number. So 972 we can write 2 times 2. Then 1 2 3 4 5. 3 1 2 3 4 5. And for factorization we already known about we need to pair each number. So this one, this one, this one. So this is a what? Single digit. Therefore look, if we divide it by these 3 from these numbers, so this one and this one out, so we need at least, what is the least number which is to be divided by the following number so that quotient would be a perfect square? So answer is what? 3. And balance thing we can write here. 3 is the least number which is to be divided by the what? 972 so that the quotient would be a perfect number. So I didn't write this one, or we can just copy paste this one. Look, the answer is same. So we can write this one in here. Just a minute, I will solve this one. Okay, so look, what is the least number? So we can write 3 is the least number which is to be divided by the what? By the 972, right? 972 so that the quotient would be a perfect square. Okay, perfect square number. So answer is 3. So done. First question answer done. Okay, now number B, which is 4056. B 4056. This one we also again need what? Prime factorization. 4056. So this one we can divide it by 2. So 20 and 2 8, right? Then divide by 2 1014. Divide by 2 5, and then what? 07. 507 we can divide it by 3. So result will be 169. So 169 we can divide by 13. 13 times 13 is just 169. So 4056 we can write here is 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 3 single, and then 13 and 13. So once we figure out the pair, so 2 and 2 3 13 and 13. So 2 is a single, 3 is a single. So answer is what? 2 times 3 6. 6 what? 6 is the least number which is to be divided by the 4056 so that the quotient would be a perfect number. So similar thing we can copy and we paste here. So we can write here 6. Okay, and here we can write what? 4056. Very easy. But we have to know about prime factorization. There are lots of math we need prime factorization. So first you have to learn about prime factorization, how to make prime factorization. Like this, look, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Prime number is that kinds of number which number we can divide it only two numbers, self and 1. And last one is 21,952. So we can make this one number C, 21,952. So first 21952, here is 2, this one is 2. So first we can divide it by 2. So here is 10, then 9, what, 7, 6. Okay, then again divided by 2. So 5, 4, 8, 8. Again divided by 2, 2, 7, 4, 4. Again divided by 2. So what will come? 13, then 7, 2. Again divided by 2, it will become 6, 8, 6, right? Again divided by 2, so we will get 3, 4, 3. And 3, 4, 3 we can divide it by 7, so it will become 49. Again divided by 7 and finally get 7. So all are prime number. So 21952 we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 and 3, 7. So 7 times 7 times 7. So first we make pair 1, 2, 3. 2 is complete, but 7, 1, 7 is single. Therefore answer is 7. Once we divide 7 from this number, the number will become perfect square. So again we can make copy. Okay, we can put here, so we can write here 7 and the number is what, 21952. Okay, complete. So thank you very much being with me. This is very important math for competitive examination. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, just write a line in the comments box, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.